Everybody has a choice to make. It completely depends upon you how you make that choice. Because choices leads to habits, and habits eventually leads to become a lifestyle. It is as simple as that. Hello guys, this is Sumit Vatra. See guys, लाइफ में ऐसी बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस आएंगी वेयर यू विल हैव लाइक 2 or more than 2 options and you need to make a choice to choose one option so that you can continue with that in life. Now out of those options, for example, there is an option of watching Netflix and there is an option of reading a book. Now it completely depends upon your mindset and your choice what you want your brain to consume. It is as simple as that guys. Because usually होता ये है, like if people are watching Netflix, they tend to lie on bed and they watch Netflix for a lot of time, and then they are like for the rest of the night they are watching Netflix and they fell asleep while watching Netflix. And on the other hand, there are very few people who make a choice to read a book instead of watching Netflix. These people grow in life and these people know what choice is right for them. They make the right choices because small choices leads to habits and eventually habits will lead to lifestyle. So always remember that you will come across a lot of situations in life where you have a choice to make. It depends upon you which choice you make. The choice you will make now, that kind of person you will become in future. So out of those choices, see which one is better for you, which one will help you grow, which one will be able to make you learn something new, which choice will like take you on the next level in your life, and then decide. Don't just randomly decide. Take a step back, think, give it a thought, take some time, analyze, and then make a choice. Choices will lead to lifestyle eventually. So make sure that you are choosing a right choice. Thank you so much guys.